Good day everyone, I am Walden Bansag, a second-year student at Davao del Sur State College, taking a Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics. So for today, we're going to have a reflection video on Plastic Republic dokumentaryo ni Javi Severino on Eyewitness.
Sa kasaysayan ng buhay sa mundo, ang tao ang isa sa pinakabatang nilalang dito. Kinupkop siya ng kalikasan, pinarami sa yaman nito. Sa maiksing panahon, binago na natin ang mukha ng mundo. Nilikha ang plastic para mapadali ang buhay. Ngunit isa na raw ito sa ikamamatay ng ating lahi. May nakilala kaming mga natatanging taong ayaw nang makisama sa ganitong sitwasyon. Panoorin natin sila.
So, I have learned upon watching this documentary is how to make action on the continued growing of plastic. And we must learn how to become environmentalists. And I have learned how to recycle bottled plastic. And in going to supermarket or groceries or in the market, we really need to use eco bags and basket to avoid using plastic. And the most important things, or the most important lesson that I have learned in this documentary is the proper waste segregation. How you feel about it, or how I feel about it? I feel guilty of some actions that I have committed before, and it's really sad to see an ocean that's full of garbage, mostly plastic. And we cannot deny plastic, because plastic has become one of the most used substance. It is seen anywhere these days, from supermarkets to the common household. We see how plastic pollution is ruining everyone's life on Earth. We must take major steps to prevent it. We must use alternatives like cloths, bags, and papers instead of plastic bags. If we are purchasing plastic, we must reuse it. We must avoid drinking bottled waters, which continues largely to the plastic pollution. The government put a plastic ban on the use of plastic. All this can be prevented plastic pollution to a large extent. So it is really important for us to do actions on to continue growing plastic on Earth. And plastic is ruining our life and everyone's life on this planet. So, what must people do? The first thing is avoid using straws. The next thing is use reusable bags or product bags like eco bags. Next is frequent store that use papers. We must patronize those stores that using papers over than plastic. Then the next one is buy in bulk. Like, we Filipinos are really like patingi-tingi na pagbibili. I discourage you everyone on that. And next is stop buying bottled water, because it contributes to the continued growth of plastic. And we must become responsible in our actions on disposing our garbage mostly plastic. We must implement the 3R. And guys, avoid using plastic. Sana mag-zero waste na tayo sa bahay natin. And according to Sylvia Early, a marine biologist, it is not the worst of times, but it is the best time because we have still chance. We have still chance to save this ocean, our future. We have still the chance to save our future for our future generations. And that's for this video. This video is our final exam in ethics. Thank you so much.